There it is, folks. Look at that. It is coming down out here, but the wind is not considerable at this point at all. See? Okay. There. Moving around and get all my lights out here activated, coming on. Yes, there it is. There it is. I've got a whole battery of lights back here, folks. A light army, if you might call it that. Yes, sirree. Can never have enough. But you hear that. So it's raining, it's storming, but no wind. Now, sometimes that could be a prelude to a tornado. I hope that's not the case. It's not what's forecast here. Subscribe to Zinni62 on YouTube and bookmark oaklandnewsnowblog.com from Fayette County, Georgia. See ya. Stay safe, Oakland. Stay safe, everybody.